All right, here's my new Ford Lightning that I got about 2 months ago. Today I'm going to be installing a bed cover for it. I got this bed cover on Amazon for about $3.99 shipped. Got here about 4 days later. So far, this is what comes with it. Instruction manual, the accessories, the cover. Let's see, what is this? Tailgate weather strip. So let's go ahead and start. So first thing it told me to do was to clean this off right here, which is what I did. Make sure it's nice and clean. Then I put the weather strip across of it, and now I'm going to put the cover on here next to align it towards the edge of that bed right there. So here's all the accessories that came out of the box. Instructions, bag of spare parts, and these right here, which I'm about to use right now for the installation. All right, the first step down here is to loosen this deal right here. It pops off, and you put these provided parts that they give in the accessory box. The wing nut just kind of keeps it in place from popping off. So that's the first step. All right, so when you're installing this piece here, this deal here, see there's like a pin in there with a hole in it. Let's see if I can get that. You see that? Make sure that lines up with this right here. So put that through there and kind of just turn on it, spin it. Adjust it to where it kind of has some threading on it, and this is important because this is how it latches onto the rails on your truck bed. So I'll show you here in a second after I adjust this right here. All right, so here it is right here. So right after I adjust it, you can just kind of put this down here, pull it down on it, and adjust that in there. That's how it looks like when it's after you thread it. So now if you want to remove it, so you just kind of do that kind of thing and just slide it out of the way. If you're doing, if you don't need it, if you need to fold your bed cover. So, all right, here it is all installed. This one is fully folded up. It's got the two connectors on here that connect it in place when you want to keep it like that. And whenever you're not using the handles, they kind of go out of place like this, but when you need to, they'll come back up, you see. So there's that right there. So it is right here.